Rainy day problems.
Emma, it is raining very heavily outside. Emma, it is raining very heavily outside.
I know, the weather is terrible today. I know, the weather is terrible today.
I was planning to go for a walk. I was planning to go for a walk.
I do not think that is a good idea now. I do not think that is a good idea now.
My shoes are already wet from this morning. My shoes are already wet from this morning.
You should have taken an umbrella. You should have taken an umbrella.
I did take one. I did take one.
Then why are your shoes wet? Then why are your shoes wet?
Because I forgot to open the umbrella. Because I forgot to open the umbrella.
That explains a lot. That explains a lot.
The streets are full of water now. The streets are full of water now.
I saw a car driving through a big puddle. I saw a car driving through a big puddle.
Did it splash water everywhere? Did it splash water everywhere?
Yes, and some people were not happy. Yes, and some people were not happy.
Rain always causes problems. Rain always causes problems.
Especially when you need to go outside. Especially when you need to go outside.
I also forgot my jacket at work yesterday. I also forgot my jacket at work yesterday.
So now you have no jacket and wet shoes. So now you have no jacket and wet shoes.
Exactly. My situation is getting worse. Exactly. My situation is getting worse.
At least you are inside the house now. At least you are inside the house now.
That is true. That is true.
Do you still need to go anywhere today? Do you still need to go anywhere today?
I need to buy some groceries later. I need to buy some groceries later.
Maybe you should wait until the rain stops. Maybe you should wait until the rain stops.
I hope it stops soon. I hope it stops soon.
The weather report says it may rain all day. The weather report says it may rain all day.
That is not good news. That is not good news.
You can stay home and relax instead. You can stay home and relax instead.
I suppose I do not have many choices. I suppose I do not have many choices.
Sometimes staying home is the best plan. Sometimes staying home is the best plan.
You know what? I think you're right. You know what? I think you're right.
Finally, a rainy day has one advantage. Finally, a rainy day has one advantage.
What is that? What is that?
You have an excuse to do nothing. You have an excuse to do nothing.
That actually sounds pretty nice. That actually sounds pretty nice.
See? Rain is not always bad. See? Rain is not always bad.
Too much spicy food.
Emma, my mouth is on fire. Emma, my mouth is on fire.
I told you not to eat that spicy food. I told you not to eat that spicy food.
I thought I could handle it. I thought I could handle it.
You always think that. You always think that.
It did not seem very spicy at first. It did not seem very spicy at first.
And now look at you. And now look at you.
I need some water right now. I need some water right now.
Water will not help much. Water will not help much.
Then what should I do? Then what should I do?
Try drinking some milk. Try drinking some milk.
Where is the milk? Where is the milk?
It is in the fridge. It is in the fridge.
I found it. Give me a second. I found it. Give me a second.
Is it helping? Is it helping?
A little, but my mouth still burns. A little, but my mouth still burns.
That food was full of chili peppers. That food was full of chili peppers.
Why do people enjoy this? Why do people enjoy this?
Some people like spicy food. Some people like spicy food.
I think they are very brave. I think they are very brave.
Or maybe they are just used to it. Or maybe they are just used to it.
My face feels very hot. My face feels very hot.
It is bright red too. It is bright red too.
Please do not laugh at me. Please do not laugh at me.
I'm trying my best not to. I'm trying my best not to.
I only wanted to try something new. I only wanted to try something new.
Well, now you have a new experience. Well, now you have a new experience.
Next time I will order something mild. Next time I will order something mild.
That sounds like a smart plan. That sounds like a smart plan.
I cannot believe I ate the whole plate. I cannot believe I ate the whole plate.
I cannot believe you asked for extra sauce. I cannot believe you asked for extra sauce.
That was a terrible decision. That was a terrible decision.
At least you learned something today. At least you learned something today.
Yes, I learned an important lesson. Yes, I learned an important lesson.
And what is that lesson? And what is that lesson?
Never trust food that looks too innocent. Never trust food that looks too innocent.
Finally, you are becoming wiser. Finally, you are becoming wiser.
My friend cannot keep secrets.
Emma, I need to tell you something important. Emma, I need to tell you something important.
Okay, what is it? Okay, what is it?
But you must keep it secret. But you must keep it secret.
Of course, you can trust me. Of course, you can trust me.
Are you sure this time? Are you sure this time?
Yes, I am very serious right now. Yes, I am very serious right now.
Last time you told everyone my story. Last time you told everyone my story.
That was an accident. That was an accident.
You posted it in the family group chat. You posted it in the family group chat.
I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button.
Twice? Twice?
Okay, maybe I was a little careless. Okay, maybe I was a little careless.
That is why I am worried now. That is why I am worried now.
Relax, I learned from my mistakes. Relax, I learned from my mistakes.
Fine. I bought a new phone yesterday. Fine. I bought a new phone yesterday.
Really? Why is that a secret? Really? Why is that a secret?
Because I do not want my brother to know yet. Because I do not want my brother to know yet.
Oh, I understand now. Oh, I understand now.
He always borrows my things. He always borrows my things.
Especially your expensive things. Especially your expensive things.
Exactly. So please say nothing. Exactly. So please say nothing.
My lips are completely sealed. My lips are completely sealed.
Good. I will trust you again. Good. I will trust you again.
Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in me.
Wait. Why are you smiling like that? Wait. Why are you smiling like that?
I am just happy for you. I am just happy for you.
You look suspicious right now. You look suspicious right now.
No, I look trustworthy. No, I look trustworthy.
That is not the same thing. That is not the same thing.
Fine, I will stay quiet. Fine, I will stay quiet.
Good. Nobody should hear about this. Good. Nobody should hear about this.
Oh no, too late. Oh no, too late.
What do you mean too late? What do you mean too late?
Your brother was standing near the door. Your brother was standing near the door.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Yes, and he already looks very interested. Yes, and he already looks very interested.
Forgetting a friend's birthday.
Emma, I think I made a big mistake. Emma, I think I made a big mistake.
What happened this time? What happened this time?
I forgot my friend's birthday yesterday. I forgot my friend's birthday yesterday.
Oh no, that is not good. Oh no, that is not good.
He sent me a message this morning. He sent me a message this morning.
What did he say? What did he say?
He said, "Thank you for remembering my birthday." He said, "Thank you for remembering my birthday."
That sounds dangerous. That sounds dangerous.
Exactly. I never sent him anything. Exactly. I never sent him anything.
So he knows you forgot. So he knows you forgot.
I think so. I think so.
Why did you forget? Why did you forget?
I was very busy at work. I was very busy at work.
That is not a great excuse. That is not a great excuse.
I know. I feel terrible. I know. I feel terrible.
Did you call him yet? Did you call him yet?
Not yet. I do not know what to say. Not yet. I do not know what to say.
Just be honest with him. Just be honest with him.
What if he is angry? What if he is angry?
Then apologize sincerely. Then apologize sincerely.
I should have written it on my calendar. I should have written it on my calendar.
That would have helped. That would have helped.
He always remembers my birthday. He always remembers my birthday.
That makes it even worse. That makes it even worse.
Thanks for making me feel better. Thanks for making me feel better.
I'm just telling the truth. I'm just telling the truth.
Maybe I should buy him a gift. Maybe I should buy him a gift.
That is a good idea. That is a good idea.
A very nice gift. A very nice gift.
An expensive gift might help too. An expensive gift might help too.
You really think I'm in trouble? You really think I'm in trouble?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Okay, I will call him right now. Okay, I will call him right now.
Good luck. Be brave. Good luck. Be brave.
If he forgives me, I will celebrate. If he forgives me, I will celebrate.
And next year, set 3 reminders. And next year, set 3 reminders.